Hello friends, today Lenovo T14s keyboard how to replace. So this model particular keyboard issue. So first backside door open case, 5 screws available. So first is 5 screw remove and door. Next first disconnect the battery. Five screw there in battery. So remove first 5 screws battery screw. Next disconnect the speaker cable and the CMOS battery also. So first remove the speaker. So this entire the port for a Lenovo keyboard total change in motherboard include keyboard. So that first remove the speaker slot and that after the touchpad cable disconnected and fingerprint cable disconnected, trackpad and keyboard cable also is disconnected. So camera cable, that's Wi-Fi cable also that disconnected, total dismantled. So remove the LCD cable, total cable also disconnected. After that you screw on motherboard everything. Total screw in motherboard 6 screw there in motherboard. So remove the first motherboard and the USB cable also disconnected in. That SIM exit also, that motherboard mostly is removable. SIM slot is removed. After that the easy remove motherboard. Some struggling that motherboard, some suppose you are kind of that one. Actually this particular model, that same T14s, T495s, same model, same disconnect keyboard and everything replaced. So first this touchpad and the fingerprint almost removed. Next inches screws 6 screws there are. Right side 3 screws, left side 3 screws removed. So remove all under inches screw. So almost done. So just a little open, just remove the keypad, entire touchpad and everything, entire the keyboard, and the new one replaced, same new one keyboard. Just lock. So same, again same 6 screws in inches fitting. So just easy step, so no um, tough and just easy for the 6 screw inches side.
உங்களுக்கு எக்ஸல் மூவ் பண்ண சொல்லுவாங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
Next USB boarding fitting. So 2 screw in USB board. This separate motherboard and include just one part only separate for USB and power switch, power board, and after that fingerprint to replace. Next one, touchpad, that like open just side touchpad option, so the position is correct. But after finished touchpad, after finished motherboard, just motherboard fitting side, first this side open and let close this motherboard and fitting everything, just lock everything is fitting. So speaker is all connect. This cable routing speaker. The proper fixing cable routing, otherwise his door is not closed. So first main cable routing must connect, next one and fingerprint, touchpad, cable, everything is connected in motherboard.
Yes.
After again 5 screw motherboard is again connect the CMOS battery and speaker cable also.
You help me. Can't help me.
Finished almost that cable also, and additional that USB cable connect. Next power switch, power on off button cable connect, and next routing for network cable and Wi-Fi cable routing. So this one also a proper fix way fix in route. So once you complete that Wi-Fi cable, antenna cable, okay. So Wi-Fi cable almost finished. So next I connect the camera cable. and after finished, battery fixed, same 5 screw battery in fitting. The sim exit, no sim exit fitting the motherboard. After the connector battery motherboard won't check the connection. After all cable is checked, once verified, it is connected. After I check to close the base cover. Base cover also 5 screws fitting, so almost perfect. Door closed, everything I check it. So new keyboard replaced. Just check in keyboard tester. This all keys working or not working. Just once check in keyboard power on and F10 press. This is diagnose Lenovo diagnose code F10. Just F10 press after keyboard selected. So down arrow press and keyboard select. Okay, just showing all keys pressed, almost working. First row, second row, third row, fourth row. So mostly is diagnose code F10. Thank you for watching.